Like domino.
Like dominoes.
No.
Okay, maybe what we need to do
Uh-huh.
is look around the the room or the house or whatnot,
Right.
and just kind of like make a list of all the things we can imagine using as like materials,
Right.
and then like from those
Uh-huh.
hopefully that will help us generate ideas about like what we could do
Right.
for the thing. Because I'm just like there's lots of like interesting like fun ideas in there, like the monkey masks or the fish lures or whatnot. But I'm just like still like stuck at the like how to join these things together.
Right.
And so I think if we have like this is the toolbox or the sandpit we have to play in, then we'll be able to come up with something once we have a better sense of what it is.
Yeah, those can be a great idea. Did not work. Okay.
Like dominoes.